Hi friends, today we will see how to merge multiple workbooks into single sheet. Example, we are having separate file 2019 underscore year, 2020 underscore year, 21 and 22, 4 files. Now we need to merge all the files data into a single sheet. Yes, so let's start. I'll show you this one. This is the folder we are having. In this, 4 sheets are available. Example 2019, if you open, we are having a data few rows. Now we start doing this. Here we will go to data option, new query. Click on new query. There is an option called from file, then go to from folder. Here once you selected, select the path. Now I am selecting from the desktop, I am selecting the folders, files. Click OK. Now after the path is selected, click on OK. Now you can see the Power Query screen. It has selected 4 sheets, different sheets. Now click on Combine, Edit. System is checking and it will show a sample. The first file sample, so I am going to select the sheet 1. Now you can see the data of single sheet. Now click OK. It is loading. It has opened the Power Query screen. Now all the data is available here. All 4 sheets got combined. Now click on Close and Load. Now your data is available in single sheet which contains 4 different sheets, right? This way you can merge multiple workbooks into single sheet. Thank you.